guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this. So you might wonder what is this file. Pretty amazing, right? So I'm going to show you how to make this. So before getting into that video, let's introduce me. My name is Shark and we are the Cool Boys. Let's see what are the things that we need. We need a scissors, a scale, a rubber band, a grip which you can take it from your pen or a pencil, and a toothpick. These are all the things that you need for making this. So what you gotta do is take your toothpick, measure it 3.5 centimeter on your scale and mark it. And what you gotta do is you have to cut it. So it divides it into equal parts. See. So I have two parts. So this is the leg of my robot. So you can see it's unequal, so I'm making it equal. So you can see the equal. Now what you're gonna do is take a grip and try to put this rubber band inside. So this is all what you need, and what you gotta do is you can see the hoops. So you have to put one in one, so you have to put both there. And your rubber band should be a little bit bigger. So now to make it move, what you gotta do is you have to rotate the hoop clockwise like 10 times. 10 or 15 so wish. Then rotate the left hand one for anti-clockwise 15 or 10 times, all your wish. I'll show another method. So this method will be like it will be walking. What you gotta do is you have to rotate this one time clockwise and second one anti-clockwise. Keep on rotating this. Be like so. It will be like walking about our robot. See, look at that. It's like walking. Like that. So it's like really slow. So like if you expand it, it'll like move faster. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification.